Good morning students. Today I am going to start chemical substances and processes of standard 7th. In this chapter we will study about pure substances, element, compound, mixture, chemical symbols, chemical formula, chemical equation, balancing of chemical equations, types of chemical reactions. Now let's start the topic. Pure substances. Materials which are made up of same kind of particles, like atoms or molecules known as pure substances. It can be classified into two types. First, element. Second, compound. So element and compound are pure substance. Pure substance, that means made up of same kind of particles. So all elements are pure substance and compounds are also pure substances. It is a pure substance which is made up of same kind of atoms. Example, sodium. So it is made up of same kind, that means atoms of sodium, magnesium, aluminum, etc. So element, it is a pure substance. It cannot be split into two or more substances. It cannot be break down into two or more substances. Next, compound. It is also a pure substance. Which is made up of same kind of molecules. Example, water. Water is a compound. It is, that means made up of two atoms of hydrogen and one atom of oxygen. Next, carbon dioxide. One atom of carbon, two atoms of oxygen. So ratio is 1:2. Water, ratio of water is 2:1. Next, mixture. It is not a pure substance. It contains two or more substances mixed in any ratio. Example, brass. Brass, it is the composition of copper and zinc. Air, is a homogeneous mixture. Next, bronze. Bronze is a mixture of copper and tin. So these are the chemical symbols we will study further. And mixture classified into two types, homogeneous and heterogeneous. So you will study in higher classes. Now classify some substances into pure substances or mixture. So classify first is air. So air is pure substance or mixture. So air is a mixture, air is a homogeneous mixture. So air is a mixture. Next, iron. Iron is an element. Symbol of iron is Fe. So all elements and compounds are pure substance. So iron is a pure substance. Next, water. Water is a compound. So water is also a pure substance. Next, lemonade. Lemonade means mixture of lemon, water, maybe sugar. So lemonade is a mixture, not it is a element or compound. So it is a mixture, not pure substance. So lemonade is a mixture. Gold. Gold is a element. The symbol is Au. So gold is a element. So that is pure substance. Next, oxygen. Oxygen is also element. So pure substance. Next, lime water. Lime water is a compound. Calcium hydroxide. It is also a pure substance. Now, I think you totally understand pure substances and mixture by these examples. So let's move forward to the next topic, chemical symbols. Chemical symbols. Chemical substances are often represented by symbols. Earlier chemists used pictorial symbols to represent different symbols. Pictorial means pictures. That time they used pictures to represent symbols. Just 2-3 examples you see. Hydrogen, just like in this type of pictures. Oxygen, in this type picture. This is oxygen. Oxygen. Nowadays used. This is phosphorus. Phosphorus. But nowadays the symbols of different elements are represented by the letters of English alphabet. Some symbols have been taken from Latin name. If the symbol is of 2 letters, then first letter is written as capital and second will be small. For example, sodium. Sodium is represented as Na. We will further discuss why it is represented by Na. So, as of now, in sodium, Na, N is capital, A is small. It is valid for all 2-letter symbols. This is aluminium, A capital, L small. Next, beryllium, B capital, E small. So you can check in any. Now I am writing symbols of some elements according to the atomic number. You don't have to study much about it, as you will study in higher classes. For your label, atomic number is just like the serial number. So here is some example. Atomic number, elements name, symbol. Atomic number 1, hydrogen, symbol is H. 2, helium, symbol is He. He first letter is capital, second is small. Third, lithium, Li. Li 2 letter, first letter capital, second letter I small. Beryllium, Be. Next 5, boron, only one letter B. 6, carbon, symbol is C. 7, nitrogen, symbol is N, only one letter. 8, oxygen, symbol is O. 9, fluorine, F, symbol is F. 10, neon, symbol is Ne. 2 letter, first letter capital, second letter small. Next, atomic number 11, sodium, symbol is Na. 12, magnesium, symbol is Mg. 2 letter, first capital. 13, aluminium, Al, first capital, second small. 14, silicon, Si. 15, phosphorus, P, only P. 16, sulfur, S. 17, chlorine, Cl, C capital, L small. 18, argon, Ar. 19, potassium, symbol is K. 20, calcium, symbol is C. A, 2 letters, first capital C, A small. 21, scandium, SC, 2 letters, S capital. 22, titanium, Ti. 23, vanadium, V. 24, chromium, symbol is Cr, first capital C, R small. 25, manganese, M capital, N small, Mn. 26, iron, Fe. 27 cobalt, CO, C capital, O small. 28 nickel, nickel, Ni, and I, N capital, I small. 29 copper, symbol is Cu. 30 zinc, symbol is Zn. Symbol is Zn. So we discussed till atomic number 30. It is more than sufficient for your standard. As I told earlier, symbols are represented by English alphabet, but for some elements it is represented by Latin. Here I am giving some examples. So sodium, Latin name of sodium is natrium. Natrium. So symbol is Na. From Latin name Na, natrium. Potassium, kalium. Latin name is kalium. So symbol is K. Copper, cuprum. Cuprum. So symbol is Cu. Gold, aurum. 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 Latin name is aurum. So symbol is Au. Next, mercury. Mercury is hydrogen. So symbol is Hg. Silver, argentum. Argentum. Symbol is Ag. Next, iron. Iron, Latin name is ferrum. Symbol is Fe. So some elements have been taken from Latin name. So for today it is enough. We will continue in the next class. Learn and practice all the symbols. Hope you all will understand the topic clearly. If you have any query, any doubt, you can ask in comment section. I will clear all your doubts. Please like the video and do subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.